Mumbai is the city of dreams. A lot of people throughout India visit Mumbai for studies, for business, for jobs. As a student, I also went to Mumbai to finish my doctoral studies from Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. For living in any city, you need rozi, roti and makan. That means a job, food and a place to live. Mumbai definitely offers you job. So that means you have your rozi. Mumbai definitely gives you enough opportunity to have food. So rozi, roti is taken care of. But what about the makan? What about the accommodation? This video is about that. Living in Mumbai is not easy, especially if you are a student. That is why this video is going to be super informative. What are the struggles a student face while staying in Mumbai? This video would give you a complete breakdown. This video would really give you an idea how different rental prices correlate with the living conditions. I myself stayed in 3 places in different stages of my PhD, and each has their different rental agreements. So you would get to see what you get within a defined price range. So stay tuned till the end. I shifted to Mumbai at around 2016 for my doctoral studies. Initially, I was living in TIFR housing complex, which was provided by TIFR, but eventually we moved out because I decided to live with my partner and live together as a couple. So first I'll show you the particular house where we stayed for at least 2 years. The rental value was 70,000 rupees per month as of 2023. Brokerage was 70,000 plus deposit was 1,50,000 plus 1 month rent. This was too much. But let's see what we get after paying so much. So you can see the flat was really cozy and it was in 7th floor, so lot of wind and light was there. There was a beautiful kitchen where we used to cook for our relaxation. The bedroom, the bathroom was pretty clean, decent, and the flat was also well furnished and filled with light and joy. This was our cozy nest for at least 2 years. But the rental price was too much to bear. It was really difficult for us. Now this is the flat where we paid 40,000 per month. We lived here almost about 6 months. Now this is a very small flat. It was said 1 BHK, but it is basically a studio apartment. Here you can see the room was also pretty much lit up. The room looks clean, cozy, because we actually made it cozy. But anyway, this room cannot be 40,000 in any other cities in India. You can see this is really small, things are cramped together, and this is how people live, and this is on the higher side of your living. Okay, now this is an example what you get in 15,000 rupees in Mumbai. So this is a single room, what they call a single room. Okay, this is not a single room. So notice carefully, it's basically a bed which is stuck in the room, and the length of the room is equal to the length of the bed. So it's basically 6 foot by 4 foot room. So you can barely fit into that room. Though there is basically a common kitchen, the bathroom looks okay, pretty decent, not that bad. There are worst bathrooms and living conditions I have seen in Mumbai. But anyway, this is the struggle a student faces. So I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please subscribe to my channel. Turn on that bell notification for latest updates. You would get many of these videos, struggle of a student, what people face during their PhDs in my channel. So stay tuned and see you next time.